Hello, this is a quick video to show you how to navigate free movement next week while we are off of school. You can still access your course and all of your assignments, and this video is going to show you how to do that. Before we get started, I wanted to say that we are super proud of you for choosing to work over your summer break to catch up on some of your credits that you need towards graduation. First, you need to log in to Clever. So you would go through your Canvas, or you can Google or search Clever. Make sure it is, if you are searching for it, you type in Clever for HCPS in the search, and on the top it says Hillsborough County Public Schools. There are Clevers in many different districts, and if your login's not working, there's a good chance that you're trying to log into the wrong district. So Hillsborough County Public Schools, you would use your lunch number at hcps.net, and then whatever password you created to log in. So it's whatever you would log in with Canvas is your Clever login. Once you've logged in to Clever, you're going to find the HCPS Hub app, and you're going to double click on that to open it up. Once you are in your HCPS Hub, you're going to click the Edgenuity app, and then you will be at your dashboard or your home screen. Once you are in your dashboard, I want you to look at any unread messages. Here, the student in this example has 22 unread messages. So if you click there, it's going to take you to all of your unread messages. You could see here that the one read message is lighter than the unread messages. These will be notes from your teacher, notes from our administrators, to help you navigate the course. On your dashboard, you will see your course highlighted in blue, your current grade, and your percent complete. Here, the current grade is lower than the actual grade because the student is behind pacing. So the zeros would be filled in for any assignment that the student was supposed to have completed. So once the student catches up and is on target, this grade will actually fill in and be closer to the actual grade for the work that the student's done. If you look here in this example, this student has two courses, Biology and Algebra 1B. When you are working in your courses, we would like you to focus all of your effort into earning credit towards graduation. So here, this student is doing it right. They have all of their effort was on their biology course, and then once they are 100% complete, or they can no longer do any more work in biology, that's when they'll start working on their Algebra 1B course. When you click on the blue link, it's going to take you to another dashboard. In this case, the student would click on the words Biology 1 Semester 2 Credit Recovery, and it's going to take them to their course map. If they click Next Activity, it's going to take them to their next activity, and it might be a lock screen. So do not click Next Activity. You need to click the words Biology 1 Semester 2 Credit Recovery. If they have completed all of their work for biology, because remember they're closest to earning credit in this course first, then they can go and they can work on their algebra. So for this case, we're going to pretend like we're clicking on biology, and it's going to take us to a course map. This is a different student, so you can see this is a world history course. When you open your course map, it's going to show that you have how many overdue assignments you have if you are behind pacing. It will also say these activities will take about 2 hours and 49 minutes, or however long it takes for you to catch up. Now, if it is a credit recovery course, you should have pre-testing available to you. So when you pass the pre-test, you are allowed to skip activities. And you'll know it's a pre-test. If you look here, it says quiz, but this is actually a pre-test because these 3 assignments are locked, and it says pre-test required. So if this student passes this pre-test or quiz with a 70% or higher, it will allow them to skip these 3 assignments. So really, that student is not going to spend 2 hours and 49 minutes to catch up on these 13 overdue activities if they are passing the pre-test. So here, you can see it says credit recovery. This student will have, or this course will have pre-tests. This one does not have credit recovery. So this one will not have pre-tests available for this student. So either this student never failed the course, or they're taking it for the first time. So that's why this is not a credit recovery course. This is a student trying to earn credit for the first time for this course. If you look here, it will say tested out on any assignment where the pretest was passed. So November 14th, the student took a pretest, earned an 80%. Earned an 80% and was able to test out of the assignment above it. Here, these are assignments that the student did because they did not pass the pretest. So if you do not pass a pretest, it does not hurt your grade. It stays blank. You'll go back and you'll redo, or you'll not redo, you'll do the assignments or the activities, and then you'll take the quiz, and then that will become your grade. In this case, because they passed the pretest actually became their quiz grade, and then they were able to skip the other assignments associated with it. When you are looking at your course map, a red triangle means this is a assignment or an activity that the student is behind pacing. You can click any assignment in any order. So if you did not want to do this unit test review, like you needed help on it, you can skip and you can click during free movement only. You can go down and you could do your cumulative exam review. Anything that has a picture of a lock right here, you cannot do outside of school. Those locks have to be completed in school. Anything that does not have a lock, you can do from home or outside of the classroom. So this student can have their unit test. They can click and open how to get your test unlocked. This is a checkpoint that your teacher will do. So it'll populate, it'll look like an assignment, but all you have to do is open it and then close it back up for credit. And then you'll have your unit test. Again, if you're hitting next activity, it's going to take you to a picture of a lock. That's why going to your course map is super important. Because now you can skip this unit test and you can go down and you can click on the exam review. And then when this student gets back to class, all of their assignments are going to be completed, and all they're going to have left is this unit test and their cumulative exam to take when they return to school. Again, this is a pretest. We know this is a pretest because it says pretest required on the assignments above. That is why they are locked. Once you take this pretest, these will unlock for you. So you can skip these, and then you can go back, and then if you pass the pretest, these assignments will be skipped. If you don't pass the pretest, these assignments will open up for you. So when you are scrolling through your course map, make sure, if your goal is to have only tests and your exam remaining, make sure that all of these that are not tests or quizzes, all the locks have been removed. One of the flaws in free movement is you can fail a quiz and it's going to let you move on to the next pretest or the next quiz. The problem with that is when you get back to school, you will have all of these assignments that you will still have to take. So be careful, be mindful, watch these bubbles here on the side and make sure that all of them are completed. You'll know they're completed because they'll have a checkpoint here, right? So you'll have a check mark that tells you that it's done. Again, this how to get your unit test unlocked, this is just a grade that your teacher gives you. So you have to open it and then you can close it right away and it'll give you this waiting for teacher to grade. and then you have your cumulative exam here. Okay. Oh, so we hope you have a safe, restful, and productive fall break. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you so much. Have a good day.